Inspired by the trip to New York, where towering tech companies and innovative exhibitions lined the streets of Manhattan, the son's enthusiasm for cutting-edge technology was ignited. Upon returning home, he transformed the garage into a creative makeshift laboratory, equipped with 3D printers, programming kits, and robot components, inviting the whole family to explore the wonders of technology. Under his guidance, the father learned to design small items using 3D modeling software, the mother experimented with printing decorative ornaments, and the children programmed robots to perform various functions. Amidst laughter and joy, the family experienced the surprises of technological exploration. Meanwhile, the mother, a finance professional, was also inspired to integrate her expertise into family entertainment. She meticulously designed a board game simulating stock trading, using fun rules and scenarios to teach her family about the stock market's operation mechanisms and investment strategies. During the game, each family member took on the role of a financial tycoon, buying and selling stocks and analyzing market trends in a virtual marketplace. Through intense competition and collaboration, they easily grasped complex financial concepts. This entertaining approach to learning not only enriched the family's knowledge but also seamlessly blended education with enjoyment in a warm family atmosphere.